I demanded water here. Aquafina, where is my Aquafina?
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, CI.
I'm Jimena.
And I'm Caitlin, and these are your news and announcements for Friday, February 7th, 2020.
News announcements and activities. The 2019-2020 CIHS library hours are 7:20 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. Seniors, don't forget to vote for your senior superlatives. Categories include Best Wardrobe, Most Rebellious, Most Athletic, and more. You'll also be able to vote for teachers in categories like Most Chill, Best Storytellers, and Gives the Best Advice. Voting is open only to seniors until February 14th. You can use the QR code on the screen or go to this link.
Open house will be on February 13th at 5:30 to 7:30 in the gym. Squads will also be selling food and performing.
The elective fair will take place February 25th during periods 1 through 4. Now we go to a short clip from Culinary Foundation. Thank you.
Hey Raiders, make sure you purchase your Raider discount card at Miss J's window at the student store. It's only $30. Take your ID card to student store so Miss J can give you the RDC stamp on your ID.
Are you in need of some volunteer hours for class? Join the garden club in the Channel Islands garden. Learn how to install irrigation, harvest crops, shape rows, and much more.
If interested, join RAR Raiders for Animal Rights. They meet every Tuesday in room 32 or stop by and talk to Miss Adrian.
Now we go to Golden Ticket.
Hello, and thank you for joining us for another Golden Ticket drawing, our first one of the second semester. I am Mrs. Rogers, and I've got two friends with me today. I have Maria and Brianna, and they are going to be helping me draw tickets. So thank you all so much for showing community, integrity, honor, and social responsibility here at the Islands. We have 4 awesome prizes for you today. We have the CI Tricolor Highlighter, we have the High School Nation Backpack, we have a $10 Starbucks gift card, all right, and this awesome CI hat. And we will go ahead and get started with drawing in just a moment. I'm gonna mix them around, and then you're gonna draw for me. Perfect. Make sure they're not stuck together. There, sprinkling the love. Okay, that feels good. So first for the highlighter, go ahead and pick one. Okay, and we have Juan Zendejas showing community in Mr. Lopez and Ms. Fernandez's class. Congratulations, you got yourself a CI highlighter. Next is going to be for our CI High School Nation backpack. Go ahead and pick another. All right, and this is for Carlos Diaz for showing integrity in Miss Pecksuck's class. So thank you so much. You've got a backpack. Next is for our $10 Starbucks gift card. I'm gonna give it a quick mix, okay? Yeah, get those all mixed in there. And go ahead and pick one. And this is for Ricardo Olmos from Ms. Mendoza's class for showing community and integrity. Thank you. You've got yourself $10 to Starbucks. And finally, for the CI hats, can I go ahead and pick the last one? All right. And this is for Christian Ferrer for honoring self and others and social responsibility in Ms. Dawes' class. You've got yourself a CI hat. Please make sure that you pick up your tickets in room 53 at nutrition or lunch. You've got 2 weeks to pick them up, and then I put them back in the prize drawer. Also, huge shout out and big thanks to Ms. Malloy for unsticking this. Ooh, there's a bell going on. From the floor today, so we could actually do this drawing. So thank you all. We will see you next week. Thank you to my 2 guests, and have a lovely day. Bye.
Thank you. Have fun learning to be successful at work, all by joining Miss Power's Work Experience class. Bring your lunch to room 43 on Mondays and Wednesdays.
Upcoming events: February 8th, Gaining Plus fundraiser, 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. February 13th, Renaissance Rally, Period 3 A and B. Open house, 6 p.m. February 14th, Raider Fest, minimum day. February 17th to 21. Winter recess, no school.
Sports on tap. Friday, girls water polo at Wainimi, 3:15 p.m. their senior night.
Bookkeeper news: yearbooks are now $80 and ASB cards are $30. No more senior package or PE package. All prices will be put back to regular pricing.
Please go to spiritual.com if you need to let someone know about bullying, vandalism, or anything that threatens the safety and security of the islands.
Make sure to follow us on Twitter at CIHS Raiders Live to follow up with updates here at the islands.
Do you have any announcements or events you'd like to promote? Email them to cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Please send in your announcements at least 24 hours prior to the scheduled broadcast.
That is all your news and announcements for today. Have a great Friday, Raiders.